Welcome to 7650 Farrell number 33. This is a tenderloin downtown junior one bedroom available for lease. The apartment is configured for a nice variety of uses. And this one looks out the front of the building. You get a little view of the sky and O'Farrell Street. A junior one bedroom is effectively a studio that's divided. And this one has a partial dividing wall with a door that separates the two large portions of the apartment. So that's your first room there with the bay window and this door that closes. The wall between the two rooms is open for light and air. And then the second room is here. And it has a door that opens up to the walk-in closet. The apartment has an entry hallway and another door here to the same walk-in closet the room opens up to. So you have a nice big closet, two living spaces, and an entry. And then there is a separate kitchen featuring black granite countertops, a nice array of cherry cabinets, a full-size gas stove, and the kitchen looks over a little courtyard, nice and quiet back here, and you would also have the cross breeze. The kitchen's tiled. Full fridge, an upgraded bath with tiled floor, tub, shower, vanity. If you're interested in leasing, 7650 Farrell number 33, visit billharkins.com or call 415-305-5311. Thank you. Have a great day.